Fastems is the world's leader in CNC automation based out of Finland. We handle pretty much end-to-end when it comes to CNC automation. We were coming from a peninsula where we had 3 open sides and 1 back wall only, and now we're exact opposite. We have 3 walls in and only 1 spot where there's an entry point. So it was great because when we were talking to Ion and trying to figure out how we can make this booth work for us, it was first presented with the idea of walking us through and showing us the flow of how the booth worked from start to finish and showing that traffic pattern. It was a design that led to a focus on our machine that we brought in behind us, a presentation space, and a spot where you can learn of exactly what Fastems does with the touchscreen in front, along with these demo stations that we kind of set up as well. We have a couple of tables in the back, great spot for meetings. So they have some LED lighting on these tables. We got some wireless chargers, we got plugins on top, all really useful stuff. When I first engaged with Ion, from sales support, listening to exactly what I wanted, a seamless handoff into the booth design and setup, and then every little possible thing that I could possibly think of was met with a, yeah, let's fix that. Yes, let's work on that. Make sure that this is exactly right. And by far and away, the best customer service of a booth provider I've seen. 100% recommend Ion for anybody that's looking for a partner.